Here's how you fix the bushing on an Expedition. The arm that goes across is pretty much plastic on the tip. I just epoxied a bushing that fits underneath. Pops right on there. So I epoxy that on there. 5-minute epoxy. Mixed it up. Of course it's raining and dark out. But this should put the wiper assembly back together. There's a bushing pack that was $4 at Advance Auto. They have an assortment there. It's also $4. Online, the Dorman kit is like $20. So just walk in Advance, grab a couple bushings, and see how they go. So now I'm waiting 5 minutes. We'll see how long this lasts.